Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, I am Abdul khalique. I study at basic level at the Paragon Academy, Badin. My first topic is presentation. What is language? Language is a source of communication. It is a source to understand. It is a source to ideas, data, information, and wisdom. It is help to us argue and question. It can be our communication, feeling, emotion, sentiments. There were two types of language: sound language and gestures language. Sound language is a regional language, and gestures language is a universal language. There were each language four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Among two input skills, listening and reading, output skills, speaking and writing. Output skills directly proportional to the input skills. We learn one listen and speaking at home, and writing, and reading at school. We also we learn L through all four skills we learn at school. Thank you.